Hello Travel, so today we're taking a look at this versatile pro laptop sleeve from Nillkin. Now this is an interesting and very nice feeling designed laptop sleeve. So it's a little bit more than just a sleeve, which I'll show you in a moment, but it does come in this nice black or this nice grey sort of white color as well. So if we take a quick look around this one, you'll see it has a nice stitching around it and a logo accent there. On the rear side you'll see an elastic, a little catch here with elastic on it, which I'll show you what that is for in a moment. There's also a nice magnetically attaching carry handle, so you can carry it like this, which is very useful. When you pop it down or pop it into your bag, it just magnetically holds together. So in addition to this grab handle on the top as well, the magnetic one, you can actually put your hand through this one as a kind of carry, so when you tuck it under your arm, you can keep that as a bit of an extra carry to help it stay in position. Now it does actually mention that you shouldn't use this one as a carry handle. Just in the instructions here, it does say that it isn't actually a weight supporting one, but if you are holding your hand, holding the laptop like that, and you're holding the weight upwards, you can use it to sort of stabilize your hand rather than just holding it like that, because it could slip. So it's kind of like a stabilizing grip, but not a weight supporting grip as the instructions do indicate there. So it is also very thin. You can use this in your backpack or carry it on its own. And also you'll notice around the edges are these soft rubber corners which protect the laptop. This is a 14.2 inch. But you can also get a 16-inch version. This is the MacBook M1 Air, and this is the 13-inch one. You can see it does have a nice amount of space still in there, and you could also fit the slightly larger one as well. Now, on mine, I do actually still have the mocked stand that folds up, and I did review that one some time ago. There is a link there if you want to watch that one. But the good thing about this particular case is that it actually has a similar functionality built in. So magnetically there are these stands here. There's two levels, so that is the high one, and then these two on the side go up for like a low angle. So essentially what you do is, if your laptop didn't have this on it, you just pop it on this elastic point there, and then you pop the other side of the laptop there, and it actually holds it upright like so. So it makes it very useful when you're using it on the desk for typing. Another interesting feature of this one is that when you open this Velcro closure here and then turn it around, this actually gives you a nice space for a mouse. So of course I do use a trackball, but this does give me a space to put it here along with the laptop like so. So if you were using a normal style mouse with, that you could moving around, this is kind of like a built-in mouse pad. So I thought that was very nice. Interesting way to use that extra flap there. So of course I'll show you what is inside here. Is mostly a very smooth textured fabric. There are these two extra sort of flaps here which kind of hold the laptop in place. I'll just show you what that looks like. There we are. So you can flip those around for an extra bit of protection there when you do close the flap like so. And that is how it looks when it's packed. Now again, there is that grab handle which is magnetic. I really like that. So when you are finished with it, you just roll it to the back and it magnetically holds there. And then you can slip this into a bag, briefcase, or just carry it as it is. And then when you're ready, you just pull your laptop out, flip it over, and you're ready to work. So a great little stand, a laptop sleeve in one there. I really do like this one. There will be links in the description from Nillkin if you do want to check this one out. But be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.